Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Learn with Karyna. Today we're gonna talk about one of the most important topics, I think, in your kind of like digital online presentation, and that's gonna be your social media profiles. If you are a brand, if you are a company, like a smaller company that's just starting out, if you have a professional blog, if you have your personal blog and you're trying to promote your brand, you're trying to elevate the whole like brand of your company, you need to know everything that we're going to talk about next, because all these tips will help you big time with attracting new customers, with helping them buy something from you, because oftentimes they come to your page, they just don't understand what you're selling. They see some pictures or videos of you, I don't know, dancing or maybe teaching something, and then there is a recipe, and then there are your kids, nothing in highlights, some weird bio on top of the page, and they're like, this is weird, I'm getting out of it. If you're trying to elevate your brand, if you're trying to create like this strong presentation of yourself in the online market, you have to follow specific tips that every market has. Of course, you can be like a little bit different, you can do different things, you can experiment, but some of the basic things, that's how human psychology works, and you need to know what they are and how to incorporate them into your account. Let's start with Instagram profile. Instagram profile photo, this circle thing, or Facebook profile photo, or actually any YouTube profile photo. What are the things that have to be there? If you are a brand, you can just put your logo in there. That would be enough. That would be awesome. If you want to kind of like distinguish yourself from others, you can do something different. If not, just your logo is fine for the brand. If you have an expert blog or a personal blog where you are the main figure, you have to have your face. And your face have to be either, depending again what the topic of your page is. This is mine, for example. This is some other bloggers that kind of like have this strict /business /entertainment profiles. Basically, people need to see you, so it's better to have this kind of frame with your face instead of if you're showing like the whole body of yours. Again, if you're a fitness trainer, that's a different situation, different scenario. You could try and see like what other like popular fitness trainers are doing, but just your face usually is the best thing you can do for your profile. And it has to be a professional picture. It has to be light enough, not just, some dark thing that you took a selfie of you. Your account has to be a business account. If you have on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, I think everywhere you can switch from the personal account to business. If you have in like a personal profile, you're not gonna know the stats, you're not gonna know like how many impressions you get in, how many, like nothing, right? Because it's a personal account, you don't need this insights. But if you're a business, you're gonna have all this analytics and you need to have it. So please convert your account to business. Bio section or about us on YouTube. On Facebook. So the bio section, depending on the platform, like Instagram has 150 characters, which you can put a lot of information in it. For example, on Facebook and YouTube, you can put more information. First of all, you need to answer to 3 questions in your bio, like who you are, what you did professionally or whatever your account is about, and how people can benefit from you. When you're answering these questions, try not to be very boring. Think of something like interesting. For example, my account that I have, Karyna USA, which is in Russian, it says that I came to the United States with $500, and during 7 years, I bought a house, I graduated from the university, and I opened my marketing company. And then I'm saying that I can help you do the same, and then there is a link to my website or to the webinar or whatever I'm selling at the current point. So this is basically what you're trying to do. You're trying to get people's interest, and you're trying to show who you are, what you did, and how you benefit people from it, what they can get from you by following your account or interacting with you. After you're done with your bio, Instagram, for example, has this highlight things where you can put more information about you. Plus, you can pin some posts to the top of your page. But the highlights, you can add like so much useful info in there. Like if you're a personal blogger and you're selling some courses, you want to put the information about yourself, maybe some testimonials. If you're a business, you want to add the services in there, also like clients' reviews, maybe some of the processes that are going on. All the important information should be in highlights. If you're preparing to sell a course and you're doing the whole story tell in your stories, save that in highlights and name this highlight with whatever the webinar or a course or a program that you're selling, so people can get into it and learn more. And the last tip would be about content. Please, please, please make sure that you post regularly, not once in a blue moon, as I'm doing with this channel right now, because I'm still like optimizing my strategy and I'm trying to do both channels, so wish me luck. But anyways, when you post in regularly, also make sure that you post relevant content. If your page is about something, let's say health related, or you sell in exercises, you're a personal trainer, you want to make sure that most of the posts, you can have some like personal posts in there, but most of the posts should be connected to whatever you're selling or to whatever your page is about. You cannot be posting like children, recipes, exercises, business, I don't know, webinar highlights, then something else completely unrelated. It's just gonna be so confusing for people, and they just won't know, like, again, why should they stick around? What they're gonna get from this page? You want to make sure that in your content, you send in people to either your website or to your highlights to learn more, or to just like engage them into the whole theme that your page is about. Try doing that and see how much it changes like the whole vibe on your page, because I've done that with my page, Karyna USA, the one in Russian, and it's just given like amazing results. People talk, people get engaged, they sign up for webinars, they want to get more information, etc., etc. So that's basically all. If you just start incorporating these tips into your page, you will be amazed how much it changes like the whole thing. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if you need any help. Let me know if you need like a more personalized thing for your exact page. I have a digital marketing company that helps brands as well as like personal blogs to grow. So yeah, send me a message. The link is going to be below in the description to this video. So yeah, you can go ahead and sign up, get a consultation with us. We'll be happy to help. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video, and you guys have a great day.